Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable the hidden features in WhatsApp you didn't know about. Let's get started. First, if you want to lock specific chats, all you need to do is to open the WhatsApp and long press on the chats you want to lock and tap the lock icon on top and set your fingerprint or phone passcode. Your chats are now protected and hidden in the lock chats folder. And for storage cleaner tool, to the free up space easily, go to the settings and click the storage and data and click the manage storage. The WhatsApp will show you a large files frequently forwarded and more. You can review and delete what you don't need. This is perfect for cleaning group junk files fast. And for the silence unknown callers, if you are tired with the spam calls, go to the settings and click the privacy and click the calls and enable the silence unknown callers. They won't ring your phone but will show in call logs. Then to send messages to yourself, you can use a WhatsApp like a digital notepad. Tap a new chat and click you'll now see a message yourself. These save notes, links, files, reminders, and all in one place. And to custom chat wallpaper, chat, open any chats and tap the three dots and click wallpaper and set a unique background just for that conversation and personalize your chat vibe. And for bonus tip, you can join WhatsApp beta for early access. You can go to the WhatsApp store and search WhatsApp and scroll down and tap the join beta and you'll get to access upcoming features like voice message previews and more. And that's it. Those are the hidden WhatsApp features you probably didn't know in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.